Assalamualaikum everyone. We're here today at MN Cafe in Islamabad for the second episode of our podcast, Her Power, Her Story. This podcast is dedicated to women who juggle their professional careers and also manage their personal lives with equal dedication. And we have a woman like that with us today. She is a content creator, she is a baker, and most importantly, she is the ambassador for MN Cafe. So let's dive into the conversation with her to get to know her a little bit more. So, hi Palvasha, how are you?
I'm great, Huma. How are you?
I'm great, Alhamdulillah. So, Palvasha, tell us a little bit more about yourself and how did you become the ambassador for MN Cafe?
I'm an influencer, a baker, an entrepreneur, and most importantly, as you said, the brand ambassador for MN Cafe.
Those are a lot of terms.
Yeah. Also a swimmer. I have like 7 gold medals in
Oh
swimming.
my god, I love that about you already.
So, how am I here? मेरी एक CEO है Glow PR agency की Maliha. She used to give me these food PRs वगैरह. So she approached me for MN and she was like, hey, Mr. Kamran wants to meet with you. He saw your portfolio जो मेरा Secret Garden Cakery. It is my page on Instagram. So he
That's
saw
your
that.
business.
Yeah, it's my business. And he saw that and he was inspired. So he said, okay, she's a baker as well and an influencer as well. And तो इस तरह का बंदा हमें चाहिए. And we want to work with her. So Mali approached me and then she said, let's hold a meeting. And I was like, yeah, okay, sure. तो फिर मैं आ गई and we had a meeting. Mr. Kamran had lovely ideas, जैसे कि, you know, about being passion, जो मेरी pastry अभी recently निकली है. The ideas were very nice and I was like, चलो करते हैं, let's do something different. But I took like about 5 months to think over it. Yeah,
But
5
why?
महीने बाद I felt like कि मैंने ये काम करना है.
So, but you
क्योंकि it was very tough for me influencing और shoots and you know baking साथ में एक page भी मैं चला रही हूँ तो studies भी and it gets a very
but wasn't it like a nice opportunity for you? Oh my god, you get to bake as well and you get to like
it was a nice opportunity. I mean मेरी family जो है they also insisted me कि you should go for it but I took my time you know क्योंकि मैं जो हूँ अपना 100% देती हूँ.
Yeah, that's understandable.
Yeah, so I don't wanna be like everywhere but I am not over there, you know, like हर जगह पे आप नहीं हो सकते हो. तो खैर I took my time and then I said yes to him. फिर अभी recently हमारी last month video shoot था, production shoot था for Pink Passion, my first pastry collaboration with MN. So that's how I am the brand ambassador. Yeah.
And that's a lovely journey.
Yeah.
You're basically doing what you love. So yeah, about that, I would like to ask you about this influencing and content creation thing that you just mentioned that you're great at and you love doing. But where did you get the inspiration for it? What was your inspiration behind this content creation?
COVID जब start हुआ था तो you know सारे we were all in a room.
We were stuck. Yeah, we were stuck.
हाँ, तो घरों में थे and कुछ करने को नहीं था तो scroll ही करते हैं Instagram पे and all that, you know, तो सामने हिरा आती कि Maya, all these bloggers, they inspired me. I was like, okay, let's do this, you know. कुछ अभी कुछ करने को नहीं है ना पढ़ाई आप कर सकते हो ना कुछ और कर सकते हो तो you know let's just get into it.
But anyway, so yeah, just since you mentioned that you're also a baker, so I would like to ask you about that. Is like baking like a thing or was it a hobby or this is something that you learned on the way?
It was a hobby, you can say, because बचपन में I used to go to my cousin's place and for sleepovers वगैरह तो हम दोनों जो हैं YouTube पे videos देखते होते थे baking वगैरह की, My Cupcake Addiction, all those pages, channels on YouTube. So it was very colorful, rainbow and all that. तो मुझे वो attract बचपन से करता था. We used to start baking like जलेंगे cupcakes.
That's how you learn.
Yeah, exactly. तो फिर काफ़ी बार हमने किया. फिर उसके बाद शौक मेरा उठ गया कि भाई ये नहीं होता मुझसे थी ना.
That's a lot of work.
Channels चला रहे थे, टाइम उन्हें प्रोफेशनल्स दे, उन जैसे हम बन ही नहीं सकते. But it's just that कि अगर आप मेहनत करो तो I think you can get there.
Let's just order something first. What do I want to have? I want to have. Okay, so we were talking about baking.
After a few years when I was like 12, 13, मैं अपनी birthdays पे ना cakes वगैरह बनाना शुरू कर देती थी तो even though they were not perfect, they used to be hard as in rock and लेकिन सब खाते थे शौक से for some reason because you know family supportive होना तो फिर
Yeah, that's lovely. Honestly, that's lovely.
it is अब कोई आपको बुरे फीडबैक्स रिव्यूज़ दे रहा नहीं तुम नहीं कर सकती छोड़ दो डोंट डू इट बट माई फैमिली इज़ वेरी सपोर्टिव स्पेशली माई मॉम अभी रिसेंटली जो मैंने किया था व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड माई ओन पेज वो कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ था कि आई मेड अ बर्थडे केक फॉर माई फ्रेंड एंड हम लोगों का एक ग्रुप है तो वी केम टू इस्लामाबाद फॉर द बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन और तो उस वक्त द केक वाज सॉफ्ट बट जब वो घर लेके गया तो वो इट वाज एज हार्ड एज अ रॉक इट वाज वेरी और ये 2 साल पहले की बात है हाँ और उस बेचारे ने वो खाया उसने खाया अब सपोर्टिव आई एम सो थैंकफुल एंड ग्रेटफुल फॉर सच पीपल यू नो मेरे फ्रेंड्स भी बहुत अच्छे अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह माशाल्लाह से मिले और फैमिली इज आल्सो वेरी सपोर्टिव एंड नाइस तो फिर I just went for it. I made a baking page.
That's lovely. That's lovely. And from this, I'm getting the idea that you have since you have a very supportive group of friends, and family.
Yeah.
Okay. So what I would like to know is that if there's someone out there who has just started this journey, who wants to get into content creation, who wants to get into influencing, like you just mentioned, you have been doing it for how many years? 3 years, right? So you know a lot about this. What's happening, what's not happening, how to do a certain thing, how not to do a certain thing. So for someone who is just starting, what do you think that they should be cautious of? What do you think that they're going to enjoy? What do you think that they should work on more? If you'd like to say something to anyone who is just starting their journey in content creation or influencing.
सबसे पहले तो आपका नीश होना चाहिए सबसे पहले दिस इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इन कंटेंट क्रिएशन बिकॉज पीपल एन्जॉय डिफरेंट थिंग्स यू नो दे लाइक कि हमें कुछ ऐसा देखना है जो अगला बंदा सारे सेम चीज़ें ना कर रहे हैं हर किसी का डिफरेंट कंटेंट हो वो फिर उसके बाद उस बंदे को फॉलो करते हैं दे गेट इंस्पायर्ड बाय दैट पर्सन अब जैसे कि आई हैव फ्लोरल एस्थेटिक्स रेनबो मैजिकल व्हाटएवर
I've gone through your Instagram. Oh my god, it's so vibrant, it's so glittery, it's so flowery. I'm like, this person is living the best life for some reason.
That is how I also collaborated with them.
It's all colors.
Yeah, Emin ka bhi flower, glittery and all.
That makes sense.
Pink is my
That's why you're ambassador.
Yeah. So, सबसे पहले niche and you need to stay consistent with it. And as I said, people like to see different things. दूसरा ये कि when you're dealing with the brands वगैरह the most important thing is कि वो आपसे आपका quotation मांगेंगे कि what's your quotation. You shouldn't tell them your quotation. You should say कि आप क्या मुझे what is your budget. क्योंकि maybe sometimes आप उनसे कम charge कर रहे हो उनका budget ज़्यादा हो. So, you know, you're just missing out on that. Like everyone works for money, you know. तो हाँ I think यही 2 points हैं जिस पे आप
And you think that people who are starting they should focus on this budgeting वाली चीज़ because they're just starting.
शुरू में तो you do need to do free work as well.
No, but
जब brands के साथ आप जब काम कर रहे होते हो अब जिस तरह के you just have 5,000 followers or 10,000 followers और आपकी reach भी you know 500 likes 300 likes something like that and a very nice brand approaches you just like Saadi all of these brands and they're like we want to work with you and वो कहें कि हमारे पास तो बजट नहीं है इस चीज़ का तो if you want to collaborate with us and you know तो आपको करना चाहिए you should go for it even if it's free for that time like हाँ अगर आपकी एक स्ट्रीक बन गई है ब्रांड्स के साथ कि आपने इस ब्रांड के साथ काम किया है तो अगला ब्रांड भी जब आपको अप्रोच करेगा तो सोचेगा इस बंदे ने इस ब्रांड के साथ काम किया है तो ये फ्री में काम तो करके हमें देगा नहीं.
But do you think that it's a valid thing? Because you just mentioned that everybody comes in this business for money, right? They just want to earn. So do you think it's ethical to have people work for them without unpaid work?
You do need to make your portfolio. आपका portfolio नहीं होगी तो nobody is gonna work with you. या फिर आपको if you think कि आप
but at the same time you're also telling them okay this is the certain a few things ABC. I'm just bringing this much things to the table. So that's why I'm charging for it, right? You should know your worth because initially if you'd start skipping on that you'd start saying okay I'm willing to do it for free.
नहीं as I said ना कि कोई अच्छा brand अगर आप
okay
सबके साथ में नहीं कह रही
okay
work for free आपको ब्रांड देखना चाहिए ब्रांड कैसा है इफ़ इट्स अ गुड ब्रांड इफ़ इट्स अ स्टार्टअप ब्रांड स्टार्टअप है तो आप उससे चार्ज करो क्योंकि आप भी स्टार्टअप है वो भी स्टार्टअप है बड़ा ब्रांड है एक बार फ्री कर दो उसके बाद नहीं जस्ट वंस
okay
आपका पोर्टफोलियो बन जाएगा यू विल गेट द कंटेंट यू विल पोस्ट इट अच्छा इस बंदी ने और या इस बंदे ने ही हैज़ वर्कड विद दिस ब्रांड तो ये तो चार्ज करेगा एज आई टोल्ड यू बिफोर शुरू में आपको ये चीज़ें करनी पड़ती हैं नॉट ऑलवेज.
Achha, so you were just telling me talking about that you're into swimming.
Yeah, I used to after school भी swimming में करती थी और school time में भी swimming करती थी. I had a very good coach. वो भी बहुत supportive थी. उनकी वजह से भी आज मैं swimming में इतने medals मैंने जीते हैं.
That's lovely to know that you're a hobbyist. You're like, okay, I want to do this too, that too. And there's like lots of things going on and you're just engaged with all of those things. Maybe that's why you don't have time to focus on negativity or focus on all that stuff that just brings you down, that weighs you down. So I love that about you, that you have these diverse hobbies and things to do. So is there anything that you would like to talk about that we have missed? We have completely covered everything, that you're so diverse. Oh my God, I'm just amazed. But is there anything that you would like to talk about? Okay, this is something that I also do.
I would like to talk about body shaming. Like body shaming इस तरह मतलब कि अब negativity की जिस तरह आपने अभी बात की तो हर चीज़ का एक positive side भी होती है, सोशल मीडिया की negative side भी है. कमेंट्स इस तरह के आ जाते हैं जिससे उस वक्त तो you're like I'm just gonna delete this comment and block that person, but बाद में जब आप रात को सोने के वक्त आप उस चीज़ को सोचने लग जाते हो.
तो how about we do it like this? For example, I commented something related to body shaming or whatever, and now you're directly addressing that person. You're addressing that person.
I don't address that person. I literally block.
Yeah, but let's just assume that I'm that person who said something about you and I'm sitting right in front of you. You have to say something back. What would you tell that person? What should they do?
I'm a very blunt person. मैं तो उनको कहूँगी कि you should lay off some burgers too, आप इतनी मोटी हो गई. If someone is being mean to me, I will be mean to them. Like क्योंकि आजकल के लोग प्यार से समझते नहीं हैं. Honestly speaking, like even अब कुछ दोस्त ऐसे होते हैं बीच में, उस तरह के nitpicking वाले दोस्त हो जाते हैं. कुछ relatives, mostly relatives होते हैं कि आप खाना नहीं खाती, आपको तो खाना चाहिए, ये
horrible.
Yeah, it is horrible. तो फिर I'm a very blunt person. मैं तो उस बंदे को I just shut that person right over there and then.
Yeah, also because people also talk about this stuff because they're insecure about themselves. When you're insecure about something, you try to bring other person down.
Yeah.
So this is not something that should bother you. But yeah, it was lovely having you here and conversing with you and getting to know you more and getting to know how much you're involved in everything and how great you are with that. So yeah, it was lovely having you here and thank you so much, Palvasha, for taking time.
Thank you, Uma. Did you try this?
Oh yeah, I loved it. Alright everyone, this was Palvasha with us and I hope to see you all in the next episode where we're going to have another woman who we'd explore the life of and we'd see how she is managing her professional and personal life with such dedication. And yeah, lovely to see you all. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.